Good morning girls and welcome back to our class. So as you know that we have started with our revision for our second unit test, today we will do a lesson in a grammar that is and are. So I want you all to pay attention, okay? And I'm sure that you all know this lesson, but yet let's have a recap over it. So girls, we have already written this in our DW book. Yes or no? You all have written this in your DW book. Okay. So let's revise. When we talk of one person or thing, we use is. So when we talk about a single person or thing, okay, that is one person or one thing, we make use of is. Okay, so when we talk about one person or one thing, we make use of is. And when we talk about, okay, let's see, when we talk about more than one person or thing, we use are. So when it is more than one person or thing, we make use of are. Okay, and I'm sure that you have written this exercise in your DW book. Also we have written this fill in the blanks, yes, with 5 sentences. This was put up in your assignment section. Yes, so now I'm sure that you all know the difference of making use of is and are, when we have to use is and when we have to use are. So when we have sentences which tells us, or when we talk about one person or one thing, we make use of is. And when we talk about more than one person or more than one thing, we make use of are. So now I want you all to help me to solve an exercise. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so I have written this exercise, okay, for you all, a recap exercise for all of you to solve. Okay, so let's begin girls. Okay, so fill in the blanks with is or are. Okay, so we have to fill in this 4 sentences. Okay, you can see the blank places. Yes, so there we have to fill the blanks with is or are. So now here you all know, when do we use is? Yes, when we talk about one person or one thing, we make use of is. And when we talk about more than one person or more than one thing, we make use of are. Now first sentence, Sita dash cooking. Now here girls, we can see that we are talking about one person. Okay, and the person's name here is Sita. So Sita dash cooking. So when it is one person, we must make use of is. Very good. So I'll write here is. Okay, so Sita is cooking. Now second, Sam and Soham dash studying. Now girls, we already know that when we talk about two person or two thing, we have to make use of are. So now here we have two person, that is more than one person. Yes or no? So we'll make use of, yes, we'll make use of are. So Sam and Sohan are studying. Okay, next, the pen dash on the table. So the pen dash on the table. So here we are talking about one pen. So the pen is on the table. Okay, I hope you are getting this. Yes, and I'm sure you have studied this, so you must be familiar with this topic. Okay, now next, the fruits dash in the basket. Now here girls, we are not talking about one fruit. We are talking about more than one fruits. Now how? Because we have fruits. The letter S, okay, tells us that these are many fruits. So the fruits are in the basket. Okay girls, did you all understand? Yes. So I want you all to practice, keep practicing, okay, so that you will get good marks in your exams also. Okay, I hope you're clear with this concept of is and are. Okay, so when do we make use of is? Yes, when we talk about or when we talk about one person or thing, we make use of is. And when we talk about more than one person or thing, we make use of are. Okay? Thank you, girls. Take care.